The formula for the power rule is as follows. The derivative of the respective variable, in this case x, to the power of n will equal nx to the power of n minus 1.
Example number 1 is the derivative of x to the 18th power. To solve this problem, what you have to do first is bring down the power to the front. So in this one, we would bring down the 18 in front of the x, and it would give us 18x. Next, you would have to subtract the 18 by 1. It would give us 17. So your final answer would be 18x to the 17th power.
For our second example, we'll be taking the derivative of 4x to the negative third power. Our first step is moving the exponent in front of the x variable. Now, because we already have a constant in front of the x variable, this just means that the two numbers are going to multiply, giving you negative 12 as your new constant in front of the x variable. Next, we're going to get our new exponent. The way we're going to do this is to subtract 1 from negative 3. Because negative 3 is a negative number, instead of going from 3 to 2, obviously we're just going to combine the negatives, and now you have a negative 4 as your new exponent. This makes your final answer negative 12x to the negative fourth power.
So the problem is d over dx, 1 over 9, x to the negative 3 minus 3x to the fourth. So the first step is to turn the problem into two different problems. So you get d over dx, 1/9 x to the negative 3 minus d over dx, 3x to the fourth. So now you solve for d over dx, 1/9 x to the negative 3. So you first drag the exponent negative 3 to the front of 1/9, so you get 1/9 times negative 3, which gives you negative 3 over 9. Now you subtract 1 from negative 3, and that gives you negative 4. So now you solve for d over dx, 3x to the fourth. So first you drag the exponent 4 to the front of 3, so you get 3 times 4, which gives you 12. Second, you subtract 1 from 4, and that gives you 3. And then finally, your answer should be 12x to the third. So now you combine the derivatives that you got from your answers into negative 3 over 9 x to the negative 4 minus 12x to the third. Wait a minute, we're not done yet. The answer is not fully simplified, so if you need to simplify it, the answer should be negative 1 over 3 x to the negative 4 minus 12x to the third.